Going in for the clear coat. Here we are, the paint shop.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be putting the clear, or actually I'm going to be using the Kaleido's gloss varnish on the duster. I was going to put MCW enamel clear with a hardener, but I decided I just had good success on the Chevelle, so I'm going to try it on the duster. The duster paint did not come out bad. It's got some issues. The main issue is the gold that I used. This, to me, gold, if you're going to use it and you're going to be putting stripes or anything on it, the gold does peel. It has like I guess a gold finish, and part of it comes off on the tape. So what I would recommend, I don't know if I'll use it again, but I would recommend putting a clear coat on it before you do any kind of striping. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Looks pretty good. I'm just going to brush it off and I will get started. It's 83 down here in Southwest Florida, so it's not too bad. The humidity's up a little bit. So I'm sure I'll be putting retarder in it within the next couple of coats. Brush it off. Here we go. Another coat. Looking pretty good. And I'm going to put at least one more on, maybe two. that's it for now for putting the clear coat on the duster. Okay, here is the duster body the next day. It dried really nice. Real happy with it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do the same thing I did with the Chevelle. I am going to, I'll give it a quick wet sanding with 5000, and then I'll put a few more coats of clear on it. And this way it'll bury the stripes better. But overall, it looks pretty good.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.